So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about." Which I was talking about AI art, whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea, like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI to generate some hairstyles. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes.
A fire song in your lab.
Covered in bacteria.
Nice, man.
And they put in a
Well, that's what it's for, I guess.
And then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube.
Fantastic.
And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria.
Happy Friday. Yeah. We are still working on fixing the production bug. So, buckle up, Buttercup. I think I have a solution, and you're not going to like it. And I know that because I don't like it. But here it is. It's moving the entire goddamn container. Uh-oh, I'm stuck. What happened? Oh! Anyways, so the logic is when he gets out of frame, start to move the container. What the fuck? Oh, is it because I must have hit the cutscene. Yeah, anyways. Gonna try to make this work. Because scrolling doesn't work. It won't work. I've tried everything. I mean, I spent a little bit of time on it off stream. You know what, Indy? It feels like you don't care what I'm doing. And you're just waiting to talk. Lol. Whatever. I don't know. What? Asia Von L.
Like this, and now it's recording.
Nice. Those are good songs. Okay. Step 1. You love me? Aww. Is Elid Gamer? I thought it was Gamer, but it's Gamer. Thank you. I love you too. Library teacher? Nice. Sounded like you. Alright. So here's the deal. We need to do some math. We need to figure out how to have the transform of the map around you coincide with your movements without fucking up your movements. Oh, you got your flex keys. Oh, my screen, sorry. Hell yeah. Welcome to the Flex Key Club. Let me see, do I have any? I mean, I have a bunch of them sitting here. Welcome to Flex Keys. Flex Keys. Flex Keys. Get yours now on orbemortar.com/shop. Very satisfying. In fact, it's so satisfying. You can go here right now. Orbem.shop. Oh yeah, that's right. Did I do that? Orbem.shop. Oh no. I destroyed the website. Whoops. With my newest push, I must have destroyed the website. My bad. Let's fix that real quick. I'm so stupid. I think... Was it this? I know we had that, but that... Oh, might have been that, the global. And then where's that 5,000 coming from? I love how I just destroy my website. Was it page? No. It's gotta be container, right? Yeah, 5,000 on the container. Or is it the body? Or is it the HTML? No. Page? Where is the 5,000? Tell me. Or perish. It's gotta be... I don't know. Oh, I should, you're right. Let me do that right after I push a fix for the website. Let's just search all the styling. Header. No. No. Interesting. The only part I'm doing it on is... Oh, I guess I need to get rid of all the extras. Though, Explore shouldn't be going on the shop. So that's kind of weird. But... Let's just make sure. Yeah, this should be fine now. All these 5,000 should be fine. Though, did I want the container? 5,000? Maybe. Let's deploy. Ads, yeah. Oh, are you getting ads? Yes, it's time to resubscribe. If you're getting ads. Correct. Okay. Let's push this sucker up. Actually, we should probably check that it actually worked. I did not mean to affect the entire website. I really shouldn't have, to be honest. Okay. Looks good now. Wait, what? You were doom scrolling through and you saw shorts, found my stream? Heck yeah. What up, Kay? WordPress game engine, correct. I have built a game engine in WordPress. I'm a WordPress programmer, and I'm creating an RPG video game using that game engine. Except we're running into an issue with production. You see, on production, when you use JavaScript to scroll the browser while my character is walking, it creates a major lag. A super lag for some reason. Like, it doesn't like an element moving while you use JavaScript scroll. Never. Yeah. Yeah, you probably... I mean, there's no reason to think of it for a game engine. There's so many other better options. TBH. Come on. I'm trying to get rid of this bug I just caused on my own website. Yeah, there's a lot of better options. RPG Maker, Godot, anything else. Game Maker Studios. But I wanted to integrate it into my site, and my site is obviously on WordPress. So, vis-a-vis, I have created a way to embed my site directly into WordPress. So yeah. Ooh, 3 cents. Thank you for the ads. Thank you for watching my ads, Game Doodle. No, so I've decided to fix the issue because I did a bunch of testing today, and there's no way around it. JavaScript-based browser scrolling will cause lag while you're trying to move the character. There's no way around it. That being said, I've decided to use transform and move the entire container around him to mimic scrolling. So that's where we're at right now. Unfortunately, I pushed up a... Okay, there you go. I pushed up some styling that destroyed production. There we go. Now we're back. So, if anybody's interested, go ahead. Go to the shop. Check out the merch. Check out Flex Keys. You a programmer? You a musician? Do you climb mountains? Do your fingers need more agility, dexterity, and grip strength? Then get a cool pair of these awesome in-house produced Flex Keys. They're a lot of fun. And yeah, they really work to keep you agile. And you can only find those on orbemortar.com/shop. And they come in all the colors. Gray on gray. Ooh, gray with black keys? Ooh, those are nice. I like that. Interesting strat. Always fun stuff happening. Yeah, I know, right? Never a dull moment on this channel. Yeah, sometimes I just... Yeah. Sad. Oh. Okay. Sometimes it works right away. Sometimes it does not. Alright, we're back. So yeah. The main goal right now is I need nothing to change unless the person's off screen. So I want... And right now this intersection observer is not working. And... Thank you, Kay. Hey, guys, I just want to let you know that it's Friday. And even though we do this every day of the week, I want you to know, though, that on Fridays, it's extra special. So enjoy this fan favorite time of the night, Scotch time. Scotch time. Come on, buddy. All right. So, unfortunately, the sword is empty. I ran it dry tonight, so double Scotch time will require me to go somewhere else to grab another one. Because I'm not touching my infusion bottle for at least 2.5 more weeks. Alright. Yeah, that's my decanter. Cheers, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy Lefroy Day. Ooh, on-screen celebration? I think that's this, right? No. I think it's this. Or is it... It's celebration... A celebration... Is it... Oh yeah, it did. I like it. That's pretty cool. Alright. So yeah, this intersection observer is not working. What I want to do right now, actually, is turn this all off. I just want to make sure that I didn't break anything else, because I changed some styling. So let's deploy this thing. Why am I so lagged up? How do I get more live? I'm going to refresh. There we go. I think. Okay, let's do this. We should be back to normal now. Yes, okay. So now he can walk. Though he's stuck in his abyss. Help me, help me. I'm gonna restart the whole game, actually. This needs to not be on the condo. Oh yeah, I hit the boss level trigger, that's why. Oh wait, I haven't noticed in a while. In case you haven't seen the intro for the video game, we'll watch it a little bit. We're gonna have to work on more music. I really like how this turned out. And I definitely think the melody, the do 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 do, I think that's gonna stick. I'm gonna use that for all my Orbem theme stuff. Escape to Orbem. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Okay. So yeah, walking's normal. So I just realized that the theme song was playing in the background while it was playing in the background. I love the zero opacity video reveal, dude. I'm gonna definitely use some more of those WebM video style, like opacity trickery on the game. So, see, he can walk normally, but when his box starts to touch the top, I want it to take count of his current position and starts using transform, translate, to move the container with him. Just like it would scroll, right? So it's mimicking scroll without you even touching browser scroll at all. And from what I've tested on production now, it seems like that is a valid option. It's just right now, I don't know. Let's actually restart. Oh, this is the wrong game. Why am I on Explore? That's weird. I guess it doesn't matter. Wait, why do we have scroll? Okay. Because right now, it's fucking around because there's the scroll bars available and stuff like that. So actually... Wait, what happened? I thought I added that already. Yeah, I did. Right here. Oh, there's an extra shing. Okay. Yeah, that's correct. Did I not push that change? Maybe that's why. Okay, I'm going to actually, I'm going to push up disabling the observer. Just make sure we're in a good spot on production too. Because that kind of screwed me up having the whole site be fucked up by the style changes, which should not have happened. There we go. Yeah, I didn't push the header change. That's probably why. Petey. Oh, man. Oh, so glad it's Friday, though, huh? Woo! Yeah, Game Doodle. You sent in Discord this center element thing. What was this doing? This was just changing... It was just doing like a calculation to move, scroll everything into the center. Oh, okay. Yeah, I get it. Yep, can't do it. We are actually not able to do it. Yeah, it should be scroll too. Yeah. It just can't work. It just doesn't work. There's no way around it. Like you saw, even just manual scroll, like I can manually scroll fine, but as soon as I try to walk, there's super lag. Like look. And this isn't even like JavaScript scroll per se. It's like any type of scroll while you're walking. It just wasn't. No. I'm not iframe. What would iframe do? It wouldn't help. You know what I mean? It'd be doing the same thing. Yeah, because I don't think it's the fact that it's the main browser. I think it's just the fact that it's browser scroll in general, even if it's an iframes browser and JavaScript movement, they're clashing. Which I don't know if it's because of the key input mixed with the scrolling, mixed with the actual style changes of the element. Because I think we tested it without using the key input, and I don't think it was lagging. Might have been though. I don't know. Anyway, let's get this in a state where at least we can try to get the transform thing to work, which it does work. I've tested it. I can't get the math down yet. Okay, good. So this is working fine. And you see, movement works completely fine in production. We have all the logic in place. Everything's good. I can walk up. I can walk down. There's zero lag. It has nothing to do with movement itself. The only problem we run into is when it starts to scroll. So I need to get some sort of intersection observer working. I think the problem is he's not being viewed as off the viewport properly. So I have to figure that one out. So we'll do it here. Basically the exact same thing. Well, what is this blue thing? What the hell is that? Oh, it's the explainer pop-up. That threw me for a loop. Okay. So we'll go into here. Okay. So we need this to work. I know those signs. The now first off, we need to tell, is it even working? Because it kind of seemed like it wasn't working at all. Box is the entire character. It's 1,000. And intersecting is what I need to use. It just seemed like maybe the threshold was fucking it up. I did see using an array of thresholds might be the answer. Let's see if we get hay. I want to get hay, because that means that he's fully on screen. And when I first load, he should be fully on screen. Alright, what are we getting? So he should be fully on screen. He is not. Another issue. I think 1,000 is too big vertically. It's taking up the entire screen. I might need to make him smaller, which is kind of annoying. How much smaller, though? Oh, now he's starting to go. So it's almost like he needs to be like 800, which is a little annoying. Wait, is that too big? Oh no, okay, here we go. So that explains why I was never getting hay. Okay, he's fully visible. Did it work? Yes. Okay. So it is working. I think he was just too big. Which is stupid of me. Oh no. Okay, well, that's not bad. It would be really hard to deal with this as not a square, I think, though. Because all my logic's kind of built around that. I think it's still working. I'm going to have to change the weapon dimensions, though. I mean, whatever. Making fucking changes, right? This should be better. We should be better for it, at least. So let's get rid of this. We don't need to touch any of this. Alright. Hoo-hoo. So the pulse wave. I don't think we need to care about that. Map character, here we go. Got 800 by 800. And then where's the map weapon? I don't think I define... Yeah, I don't think I define any of that here. I think it's all in JavaScript. So, map weapon. It's the movement portion. No. Yes. No. No. Alright, here it is. So instead of 500, it's going to be 400. Since it's not 1,000, it's 800 now. This should do it. Just like Buddy Holly. Alright, that should be it. Alright. So now the weapon should be in the middle of me again. Yeah, okay, cool. Now we're good. Okay. So I think we're able to get hay status now. Somehow. Maybe not. Wait, what? Wait, why is it still 100? I mean 1,000 by 1,000. Oh, did I not compile the SAS correctly? My bad. Wait, what? What is happening? Oh, maybe that's why it looked like it was working. Yeah, that's working. And we're getting hay again. What? Didn't I just fix you? You stupid bitch. Yeah, 400. That should do it. Let's look at all the 500s. Those are timeouts. Here we go. That's for the runner. Let's make sure that's 400 now. Put it back together. Do you have the strength? This is push character. What the fuck am I pushing? Oh, yeah, I know why. And this is... Okay, this is probably pretty important. This is the connection between the two. So this is the actual movement too. Got it. No turning back. Click transport, minus 400. Or should it be 600? No. Don't trip, potato chip. Alright, this should work now. You use scroll to in the secret SVG project. Yeah. And like I said, this was working at one point. I just think it's a multitude of things going on. It's the fact that there's, you know, it's the computing power that's happening during the movement, and the fact that scroll is not handling it well. And also, remember, this is being hosted on a website. So I don't remember if your thing was hosted on a website like mine is. Let me see. What's the password? Yeah, I don't know if it's the same either. I think itch.io is delivering games differently. But let me, what? Oh yeah, Orbem. Yeah, like it has a whole running system. I don't think this is just basically a browser. Wait, how does this work again? How does it scroll? How am I supposed to get out of here? Oh, did I get the key? Oh shit. Oh yeah, you just have scroll, like, ready to go too. What do you click to get the key? I guess I should look. Did I get the key? Oh, I did. Okay. Yeah, also you see how your movement is a lot less smooth? It's because you're probably using a different interval too, right? Are you using an interval? I forget how your code works. Yeah, see, it is using an iframe. Is that where you're saying use an iframe? Yeah, because there's a lot of different scenarios. Like I said, when I changed it to 500 intervals, I wasn't really getting a lot of lag. But it also made walking super not smooth. But who knows? Maybe the whole transform thing will fail and I'll have to go back and try to get this to work. Where's... Okay, cool. Now it's working. Got it. Alright, can we get hay going? Yes, we have hay going. And will it stop? It will stop. Perfect. Hay, no hay. Hay, no hay. Okay. So now what we need to do... Now that we know that the intersection observer is working, we need to move the fucking thing when you're fucking moving. So, how do we do that? We need to take... We basically need to take the current transform, which should be 0, 0. Let me see if I do that real quick. So this goes on the entire container. So I'm going to actually have to move all the settings out of the container when we do this. But this is kind of a proof of concept here. Transform, translate. Let's do 0, 0. Okay. So 0, 0 is the default. So what I want to happen is once I start getting to a certain point, like up here, I need this to start going down and keeping me in frame. So now, like, if I did this at 400, so now I have room to walk again, right? And everything's moving at the same time, so it doesn't change anything about positioning logic. And if I do this again, I need to move, you know, whatever. 500. It needs to move at the same pace that I'm moving. So, that being said, I need it to start at 0, 0. And once I start to touch a certain direction, I need it to start moving at the same rate. Let's try something, because before I was tying it to my actual position, and I think that was wrong. What I do need to do is container equals document query selector container. So the container style transform equals translate, and what it's going to be is needs to be a number, so it's going to be top window move and left window move. Something like this. Left window move. And this is going to persist during your bullshit. But if you refresh the page, it has to start at 0, 0 again. Because it doesn't need to move. Because I auto scroll the character to the center every time. So it's something like this with proper concatenation. Something like this. And we're going to do plus plus on both of these. Well, I'm going to do it just on top, actually. Oh, I actually think I have this backwards. I think top is on this side, isn't it? And this is left. Okay. So let's leave left alone for now. I just want to try it and see if this works. And these are going to both default to 0. Top window move equals 0. I'm telling you, this is going to revolutionize the browser-based RPG movement world. That's a thing, right? Oh, that's so dumb. Oh man. Okay. Water killing me. Okay. Let's try this again. Game Doodle's back. You never left. You've been floating above my head this whole time. Okay. I'm here. I am not moving at all. Are more ads happening? Shouldn't be. I earn from subscription too, so no need to wait if you want. Okay. So. Oh, get both though. That's true. So here's what I do. I'm gonna go up. Okay? Hey, Michael! What up, Mike? That's some good looking JavaScript. I'm gonna walk up. Once I get out of frame, it should start moving with me up. Okay? Got it? Yeah, I'll try not to. I'm gonna walk. Okay, it didn't work. Anticlimactic. Why didn't you do anything? Technically right now, it should be moving me up. It should be scrolling. Interesting. So that means that the container is not in the right spot, obviously. Let me see here. Hold on. Let left. Yeah, top move. Maybe this is not the right way to do this. Containers, container. Yeah. Container exists. Transform, translate. I think it was happening last time. I kind of forget why it was happening though. Did I do the translate wrong? Because that'll also cause issues. Oh, maybe because this is pixels? I don't think that's a problem. Let's see what we're getting here. And this is obviously not the final logic either, because right now it'll just scroll. Even if I stop moving, it'll keep scrolling until I'm completely in frame. But I want to see if this even works. Okay, so I am getting a number. Oh shit, it's happening both ways. Doesn't it need a translate property? Like, no. I want, because I'm going to be moving both. Like when they move diagonally, it's going to have to move down and left if you're in the corner. So I'm going to be moving both. So translate normal is going to be fine, but just don't know. Because this is good. It's definitely working. But this value is not changing. Container. Let's make sure we're getting container. Let's see. Should be. Yeah, there it is. So that's fine. Why is translate not changing though? Transform. Does it need to have a default transform? I don't. No, it shouldn't. That shouldn't matter. What am I doing wrong? Translate. Hold up. Container. Transform. Why am I tripping here? Translate. Yeah, it's just blah and blah. Maybe because the first one's 0? That shouldn't matter though. This should be... What? Pretty sure. Oh, does it not need the colon maybe? Oh shit, I think it's the semicolon. My bad. I was treating it like I was putting it in a style tag. Yeah, I think it was just a semicolon screwing it up. Okay, now it's gonna work. Ready? I'll start being scrolled. There you go. Oh, no! Quick, you have to get in the frame before it makes you leave. Oh shit, no. Well, goodbye, cruel world. I've been lost. Oh no, it's going the wrong way. Okay. We did it. Yeah, I didn't need that semicolon. It's because when it's a value, it's like the value in the string. Yeah, exactly. Okay. So that worked. So we're good there. Only problem is we don't want this to happen if I'm not moving. So I need to also check my current position style. And if it is the same as it was before, don't move. There's probably some smarter logic to do that though. So when I stop, it stops. There's two different conditions. It's, am I completely in frame? If not, scroll. I think the problem is it's too slow. It's not technically moving the same speed as me, it seems like, right? Because technically it should move me in frame right away. Like, oh, god damn it. Let's restart the game. Okay. So, when I go up, it should move me in frame and stop. But it doesn't. Wait, what the fuck? Why did it start so high? So, when I go here, it's jumping. Interesting. Why is it jumping? What? Oh, wait, let's check it right now. Because it should start at 0. Maybe I need to start it at 0? I am starting it at 0, though. So game over. Here's a container. Okay. So if I start this at transform, translate, we'll do 0, 0. Okay. And I go up, it should push me in frame. It started at 4,500. Is this let persisting through sessions? What the fuck? It seems like it's like persisting. Why are you persisting? Hold up. Hold up. Didn't I start this at 0? What the fuck? On load it should be 0. Yeah, it is 0. So why are you starting at such a high number? That's weird. Like it should be really like boop, and then just push you right back down, and then you're in frame and stop. But it's jumping so that the bottom is out of frame. Maybe this is being hit multiple times and tripling up or something. Interesting. Now I'm considering doing this. Maybe I do use my position number, because that's the number that will change based off of my movement, right? But I minus it by itself at the start and then go up and down starting at 0. Maybe something like that. Let's try something like that. If you don't understand what I'm saying, don't worry. It doesn't make a lot of sense, but I promise you this makes sense. Because this is a persistent value. This is something that is like quantifiable, right? And what I want to do is take this, which is part of an if statement. Hold on. Oh, I should probably put this whole thing in there. I don't know why it's not. Yeah, we'll keep that in there. Okay, my top. So this is my actual top position. Now, on load, I need to subtract my top from itself. So this is offset top position. And then going forward, my top, if it gets higher or lower, it'll change that, you know, starting at 0. That being said, how am I going to do that? I'm going to have to do that in a funky way. Let's do it like this. If already set, false equals already set, we'll just do a conditional. And then we do offset top position equals 0. No, it doesn't. It equals my top. That's what I meant to do. Oh, I guess we could... No, yeah. This. Right. Because at first, offset top position will be my top. They'll be the same thing, so it comes to 0. But then it'll persist at that value. So then I just need to, I just need it to be another global var. And we'll start this at 0 as well. Okay. And then we'll do this. Already set equals true. We'll make this another global var. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about all these global vars. That's just how you do things, okay? Okay. Perfect. And I didn't spell already set correctly. I feel like making more progress on this. Mine isn't even moving the player or what have you. Let's get the arrow keys are just scrolling the div and nothing else is moving. Oh, that's true. Why no TypeScript? Because I want to finish this game. And it's not in a fucking Next.js website. It's in a WordPress website. Yeah, no. This is not a headless website. This is a bare bones, everybody can do it, WordPress website. So when I release this game engine as a plugin to the masses for free, they'll be able to build their own games and extend it if they're just web programmers. Okay, here we go. Let's see if this works. Should work. Sorry. First try. Okay, what happened? It obviously exploded. It immediately went to my position. It didn't start at 0 like I wanted. Okay. I'll never disregard you, Mike. Questions make the world go round. Oh. This isn't false, that's why. Wait, yeah, I didn't set it as anything. There we go. These are one of those times when I'm like, okay, that's not the reason, but I'm gonna say that that's the reason. Okay, let's try again. Hey, look at that. Oh my god. That's almost exactly the functionality we were going for. It's backwards, because I'm stupid. Ooh. You see it scrolling with me when I'm out of frame, but it stops when I'm in frame. I keep screaming, I'm sorry. Yeah. I think we're onto something here, folks. Okay, that being said, it's backwards. And that's because I need to go negative. So let's do that. So this will now be a negative. Go. And let's see if just simply making it negative fixes it. You know, it just makes it backwards. Nope. Destroys it. Alright, hold on. I think it needs a space, maybe? Yeah. It might not like starting at 0, -0 pixels. Yeah, I don't think it likes that. Oh yeah, look. Translates 0, 0. Must be the math, maybe. Wait, my top. Why was this working without the negative? Let's try this again. Oh, what am I doing? Maybe I should just do plus instead? No. It needs to be a minus. Alright, hold on. Let's try this out again. Oh, it is negative. I need it to be positive. It was a double negative. Yeah. Okay. It needs to be opposite. How am I gonna do that? Because it needs to start at 0. So that means I need to start it as a negative number. And then do plus? Hold up. Where do I do that? Right here. So this needs to equal the negative version of this. This minus. This is kind of mathy. This times 2. So now it should be a negative version of itself. Or I'm being stupid for some reason, and I can't figure this out in my head. No. It's still backwards. How's that still backwards? You sent the basic example based off your work because I'm leech. Hold on, maybe it just didn't compile. Why is it going backwards still? The number's wrong. Wait, it's going the same way, whether it's negative or positive. What am I missing? What's going on here? Oh, in Discord? Expand. Translate Y, move speed 10. Jalab logo? I think you did, actually. Translate. Oh, because it's separate depending on... It's different depending on which way you're pressing. Okay. Yeah, maybe you're right. Is it March? Oh shit. Happy March. Yeah, let's go ahead and put you on VIP status. You earned it. You went a whole month without VIP. Like a commoner. What's your name? Me something? Doop. Alrighty. Let's present Indy. Mr. VIP once again. Woo! You're still in last month for 2 hours? Oh yeah, that's right. Loser. Okay. So, I'm trying to wrap my head around this. I guess it does matter which direction you're going. Whether you add to the translate or you subtract from the translate. But I'm just trying to make it go up right now. But it's doing up for both. Like, I don't get how negative is up and this is up. See, like, this is going positive. Now I'm starting to think that there's some conflict with my walking logic. Or maybe I just can't translate. Well, it's moving the entire container, which is what I want. But like, even if I do that, it can only move it so far. Which worries me. See, now it's like all fucked up. VIP. What is wrong with translate on the transform? I mean, it was definitely moving completely. So it's got to be something else that's causing this. Like when I just had the plus plus or whatever, I think it was moving all the way down, right? Because this is only once. And that plus that should equal 0. And then going forward, it should be adding to 0. No, this should equal 0. Right. My arrow key logic just says whether you're clicking an arrow or not. This interval is what actually controls the movement. So like this is just saying true or false on which key you're pressing. That way I can make a movement during the interval. Yeah. So I actually don't tie movement to the keys themselves. I flag which key you're pressing. Which it was really old logic, but that's how I got it to work. So that I could like do things based off of the key, because I also wanted to use the same logic for touch start, like for your phone and stuff. I didn't want to duplicate the logic, so I just said true or false on the key code based off of whether you're touching your phone in that key direction or you're doing your keyboard. That's why I did it that way. It's so that it works on the phone with your finger. But that being said, for some reason, transform's not working like I expected. Real quick, I'm going to just change this to translate Y. I'm going to get rid of the left and just focus on the top right now. But technically, it should be pushing down when it's plus. So my... Oh yeah, that's right. But my top position is getting smaller when I go up. I literally need to do the inverse. Ah, shit. Then I need to minus, right? Because if I minus gets smaller, then the negative gets... I need to just inverse. Can you just inverse a number? Like I need it to be going the opposite. I need my number to be going up when I'm going up. How do you do that? Do I make it a negative? And then you add a negative? Oh my god. Hey, who's a math here? Somebody math. Here's the math I need. Everybody watching. My top position. You're using style top, right? It gets smaller, I go up. Gets bigger, I go down, because it's pushing coordinates up and down. But transform, when the number gets bigger, it goes down. No. Transform, when it gets bigger, it goes up. Because you're pushing it up. And when it goes down when it gets smaller. Right? I'm not tripping, am I? Well, right now it's stuck because of the way my screen is fucking with it, apparently. Why is it auto placing me? Oh, I think it's because I was still left. Okay, okay. Yeah, so bigger is down. Oh, it's scrolling up when it's bigger, which is the opposite. And it's scrolling down when it's smaller. Try adding a negative sign in front of my top. Alright, dark eyes. Yeah. I really thought maybe something like that. Just adding a negative. Or do you mean like in the variable? No, no, no. I want to work in the variable. Okay, I'm at 0. Nah, it doesn't like that negative in the fucking... I don't know why. Oh no! Game Doodles and ads again. I really need to pause those. Where's Indy when you need him? Can you just do like... negative my top? Oh, we got something. Definitely not what I wanted to happen, but... Try using backticks? What's that? I need to inverse. Isn't there a fucking inverse function? Or some shit? My sub is about to run out because I ran out of money. Oh no! What is inverse unnumber JavaScript? Negative. Yeah, I guess you just add a negative. So that was right then. But I don't think that's what I'm trying to do either. I don't think I'm trying to turn my number into a negative. I'm trying to inverse its up and its growing fact. Oh, I think I have to do it here then too, though. What am I doing? Why am I doing this? Why don't I just make this 0? Oh, because it has to be a number big enough to make that 0. Right. Yeah, I'm just trying to do the Y right now. So what needs to happen is it needs to start at 0, and it needs to go the opposite way of the my top movement. So I basically need to inverse it. Hey, Deck Dude, what up? How you doing? Maybe we should try this. So let's just say that my position is 3,000. 3,000 or negative 3,000 plus 3,000 would equal 0. And then going forward, the my top number is going to be negative. So negative plus offset top position, which is going to be 3,000, should make it opposite. So this might work if this equals 3,000. But I don't think I need this then. My top is 3,000 minus 6,000. Why am I doing this? Isn't that the same fucking thing as just having my top? Oh no, but I wanted the current position. Yeah. Why did I do that? 2 times the number minus the number equals 1 times the number. What the fuck am I thinking? Why did that? I don't know. Complex your math. That's what I'm saying. Everybody complex your math. Just start adding extra multiplication for no reason. 2 times 1 equals 1. Equals 2. 1 minus 2 equals 1. That's how you get to 1. You graduated 100. Hell yeah, 100? Better be 100 bullets. When you gonna do your you're walking around trying to kill things. Oh! That kind of worked. Though, it keeps going to 0. It's working! Hey! Look, it's scrolling back and forth. It's fucking annoying. It keeps going down to 0 though, that's so weird. Sorta nice. We're getting the same concept. Walking is pretty good. I don't get why it's jumping back and forth though. Or do I get that? Does it restart? No, it shouldn't. Yeah, because I want it to maintain its number. It seems like every time I stop moving, it's correct. But as I start going out of frame, it's starting at the lower number. Oh, you know what? It's probably trying to catch up with my position. That's why. Triple negativity for the number. So the fix was basically adding a negative. I think Dark Ice nailed it. Adding a negative to the my top number inversed what I was trying to do. Dark Ice, jump on either YouTube full screen, or if you have Twitch, jump on Twitch. That way we can converse with you via the messenger. Okay. Alright. So now that we have that working, we need to figure out why that weird-ass lag is happening. Now, I'm wondering if I can... Trying to figure out if we add something to the, you know, the logic when I am in frame, maybe it'll continue it won't be doing that jump back and forth. Because I think what's happening is, as I'm moving and it hits that number, it's going to start moving this again based off of this number. But this number starts where it left off. Because it's not reading it, it seems like. So I need to not start at the lower number. I need to immediately go to the new number. I don't really know. I don't really know why that would be happening, though. Because it should immediately jump to the new number. It shouldn't start with the old one. Well, let's see what's actually happening. This will be a mess in the console, but we can at least see the two numbers. You can't shoot stuff legally yet? Oh, yeah, that's right. You gotta be 16 to do a rifle? Boom rare. At least you know how. Well, you can do bow hunting, huh? Do some bow hunting. Okay. So they are the same number, because they started out and it's 0. So, when I start to move... See, it is moving. Yeah, it's too chaotic. I can't really tell what's happening. Yeah, I just don't get why I would be jumping around like that. Oh, you should need a hunting license? Okay. Rewrite the my top after move. Yeah, I mean, it's being rewritten in the same interval the whole time, though. Like, this my top is always being written. Oh, do you mean rewrite the offset position? No. Because then it would go back to 0. Do we want it to go back to 0? No, I don't think we do. Because then I'll end up being fucked. Right? Like, if this went back to 0... No, we don't want it to go back to 0. Because then it'll go back to our starting position. Now you have to wait. Okay, how about this? We could give it a shot right now without the observer. Let's just see if it works normally without the observer. Just so we know for sure that that's the issue. So if it walks smoothly and I'm just constantly walking, then cool. Okay. So it's definitely the observer. You know, it's the jumping back and forth. Which again, we need to have that logic though, because we can't just have him constantly scrolling. Just not a good experience. And I'm going to need it for the left and right scrolling as well. But what we can do is push this to production and test if it has a lag, because I do not want to keep going down this path if it's causing a lag. Either way. Because you know what happens? If this has a lag, even when it's in production, the way it is, then that means that it has nothing to do with scroll. It has to do with new things showing up in the viewport. As if there is some sort of lazy loading going on, which was one thing I kind of thought early on. Because I thought maybe, like... Because I think I saw one time when I scrolled down and then I just walked up without it scrolling. Oh, I started walking up even though I had already been there. It wasn't lagging as bad because it already loaded, but you got the email indiepond@indiepond.com now. Nice. You paying for email? Damn, high roller. You can't afford a subscription? JK. Oh. Zoho's not free anymore. That's weird. Because I use Zoho. And it used to be free. But when I signed up for orbemortar.com, I couldn't get it for free. I think maybe because I didn't know they had a free tier still. Nice. Oh, nice. Error. Oh, shit. Oh, damn it. I forgot to comment the whole thing out. Whoops. Let's push that up. Zoho still has a free tier. Are you kidding me? What the fuck? How did I not see it when I was signing up for it? Yeah, because I already have my email. Pricing. Yeah, see, it's $1. They don't have a free tier. Oh, you're doing the free trial, maybe? Wait. Forever free plan? Is that this? Up to 5 users, 5 gigs. Oh, shit. I must have saw this and been like, oh, cool. They don't have a free plan anymore, and I signed up like an idiot. Wow, that's bad UI. How dare you? Oh, well, I already have email. Don't look at my emails. Damn, I didn't know that. God, that's stupid. What a stupid website design. Like, you have a pricing tier, but you don't add the free to your pricing tier. You fucking assholes. I guess, like, why offer it then? You know what I mean? I mean, they got me, I guess. Because it's cheaper than, like, doing a Gmail suite or anything like that. So, I was like, fine, I'll still do it. I don't know. I used to use a lot of their tools. I used their invoicing tools for when I was doing freelance. That's how I used to send emails, invoices to clients. I'd use the Zoho invoice and books, and you know, I even had like extra employee accounts and stuff like that. So Zoho is actually, it's good, and their apps are great too. I like their apps on the phone. You started whistling, and out of habit I whistle along. Same timing. Nice. We are in Simpatico. What? Why are you bouncing? Okay. Let's see if this got to production. Production. Go. Okay, up. Well, definitely wasting our time. There's still a lag. And it's just as bad as the scroll. So I think it's not the scroll. I think after all that, scrolling wasn't the issue. Game Doodle. There's definitely another fucking culprit. Oh my god. I can't. Is it the background image? Maybe. I don't know. Let's get rid of it. That would be awesome. I mean, it's an SVG, but I guess it's a pretty big SVG. Moving around it. I guess that kind of would screw up my whole video idea. Doing a giant video in the background. It was working in local, so I didn't. Why would it not work? Yeah. Let's just get rid of it altogether. I don't think you need it to run. Escape to Orbem. Well, now I don't know if I'm moving, though. But you might be right. Because it doesn't look like he's lagging. Shit. Was it just the background image that whole time? And you guys didn't say anything? Just kidding. Okay. Let's do a really low quality background image. I'm going to add the scrolling back because I'd way rather have the scroll into view thing. Yeah, I could check actually, you're right. Yeah, I'm definitely moving. Oh shit. Why is translate still moving? Why am I moving? I don't want to keep moving. Okay, whatever, it's not lagging. Alright. So let's go. Let's open up the... I don't care. Let's just open up something. We'll open up this. This will be our new background image. And then let's upload that real quick. Hey, I know. 3 Amigos on Twitch. Oh wait, I have to get all your stream avatars going. Hold on. It's been a while since that Dak dude has graced us with his presence. Oh yeah, there we go. Wait, why do we still have 2 only? What happened to the Dak dude? Let's try again. Gimme your clipboard. Damn it, Game Doodle. Why didn't you tell me that it was the goddamn background image? Oh, I really like that one. Oh, there we go. I see him now. He's here, but it's not running. Let's try again. Oh my god. How was it the fucking image that whole time? That's so stupid. I know, and it's just a big SVG. It was big, but... Alright. Let's remake the map in a PNG and just give it a shot. And I'm opening it in Illustrator because it's too big to open in not Illustrator. Yeah, I know. Maybe the SVG is just too big. Hold on, let me open up the SVG code in my because it was big. It was like 20,000 pixels or something, right? Where did I put that? Asset Foresight? Was this it? Yeah, height 12,000, 9,000. I wonder if I just make this smaller, if it'll work. I need to scale though. Scale, height, width, pixel, online. I just need the numbers. Oh, here we go. What was it? Its height 12,000 something something. 76. And then 9481. Keep aspect ratio. Oh, it's asking me to... No, I just want to see the output number. Damn it. Calculator. Right? 9481. Okay. And let's resize it to what's my map size? It's like 5,000 something. 5,000? 5,000 by 4517. I think 5,000 is the... Okay, so it's 5,000. Wait, 5,000. Wait, what? Why is that not scaling? Okay, 100. 5,000. Oh, weird. The SVG isn't the right size. That's not good. So 5,000 is the height. Whatever. Oh, this is read only? What the fuck are you talking about, read only? Oh, it's too large. Okay, it's definitely the SVG. And I don't even think I could optimize this. It's too big. Let's see if I can resize this at all. I don't think I can, though. Oh yeah, I already looked this up. I couldn't... You can't resize this. I'd have to rasterize it first. Motherfucker. Didn't I get rid of the black? Yeah, what's this black for? Okay. How do I rasterize this whole thing? Object. Rasterize. Flatten. Rasterize. I mean, let's go screen size, yeah. Oh my god, it looks so bad rasterized. That's weird. It's like it lost all its shine. I really wish I could get this to work in Photoshop. I'm gonna give it another shot. I know last time it blew up my Photoshop. Your dad was blowing up an inflatable stick for a game. Right as he put his mouth, the dirty side of my brain took over. It's messed up, man. Oh yeah, I made this into a PNG, but I couldn't resize it still. Wait, I did resize it. Why didn't I use it? Why is the background black? I'm just talking to myself now. Oh, this is the right size. Hold on. Why didn't I use this? Did I already upload this? Is that what this is? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Let's try this out and see if it'll work. Because at least I could tell what the fuck it is. Alright. Let's see if this works now. Go. Okay. Doesn't look great. But no lag. It's from the game. Thank goodness you're here. Nice. I mean, that's victory. I'm gonna go turn back on the scrolling logic. I'm completely ditching everything I just did. I mean, as much as I can. So let's just go into here, and let's get rid of as much as I can until it runs out of history. Going back in time. Yep, that's it. Did I get rid of all that setting shit and stuff? Okay, cool. Baby shark. I know, exactly. So now it's back to this. Box dot scroll to view. Is that what it is? I think that's the wrong function. Scroll into view. There we go. No wonder it was working in local. I wasn't using the pretty image in local. I would have immediately seen it not work. I bet you anything. This is why you need to have the same assets in your local. Very important. Or spend 4 days beating your head against the wall because your image was too big. Just fucking dumb, man. Fucking, I hope this doesn't work. I hope this doesn't work. I hope this did not fix anything. That's my hope. I don't think I need to change anything here. I did come out with a lot of cool ways to move around the map. Those will come in handy one day because, you know, we're going to have multiplayer. We're going to have, you know, more cutscenes where people are going to be moving around, and I need to be able to move, like, off screen. Remember the zoom thing that you mentioned? The zoom thing's going to come in handy. That's going to be really cool. So it's never a waste of time. I say that, but fuck, that was a waste of time. Fuck. That took so much time. No. It's still not ready. It's not going to work. We're going to go back. It only worked because we were using the transform logic. Watch. Scroll to view still doesn't work. I'm not wrong. Son of a bitch. Fucking stupid. There is a limit to what you can load in the background. Yeah, phase and path. It's not going to work. We trespassed me. Yeah, well, that also makes sense why it worked before. I was using a JPEG in the original game. Just a really big JPEG, which is still a lot smaller than a giant SVG. So, I mean, I could make this higher quality by making it in a JPEG. Like if I exported this as a better looking JPEG. You see, that's a lot crisper already. And it looks like it's 1.7 megs, whereas this one is 8 megs. So I can actually go higher. That's still half the megs, but much better quality. So let's actually do that. Might as well. I mean, it'll be half the megs anyways. Saying it's over. Though I'll probably figure out what I want to do. I know I got rid of the background. Oh shit, it's too big. What? Wasn't this bigger? I mean, they're the same size, I mean. Wasn't this bigger? Yeah, look, it's 7,000. How the hell did I get this one uploaded? Wait, let me just refresh. Sometimes that works. Or did I add it as a feature image or something? No. Oh, so you did upload. That's so weird. Alright, let's take this. And it's a WebP too, so that's good. Which is even better. This was still a PNG. Map SVG. I know, I'm gonna have to change that label. Okay. Code is pushed. We went back to the old scrolling logic. We literally have gone back in time 3 days. Go. Oh, shit. That JPEG looks like shit. Why? What happened? Didn't that look good? Ooh. It does not like that WebP. Oh, it uploaded at 2000. It scaled it down. Gross. Maybe that's why the PNG looked crappy. Whatever, we're gonna have to figure that out. Hey, Deck Dude. Oh my god. Look how perfect it is. Game Doodle. Game Doodle, it's perfect. Look how smooth it is. It's just like local. Ugh. Yeah, where we're going, we don't need roads. Alright, everybody. Well, that was fun. Everybody have a fun week. Watching me kill myself for a fucking image that was too big. Well, we'll start fresh on Monday with the understanding that this is... it can't handle giant images. Okay, yeah, that's weird. This one actually uploaded at 2000. It scaled it. Oh, it scaled it because it's a JPEG. And I have an automatic image thing. So I might have to fix that. Where was it? I do have an automatic image thing. Where are the settings for that? Tools? No. Oh, SVG support? No. I don't know. Maybe it's part of Yoast? Got your sub runs out. Oh, nice. That's right. You have a migraine. I'm glad you enjoyed the stream. Yeah, whatever. I'll fix this off stream. So, perfect. I'll start adding more assets. We'll start building out the first level. We have to build the new Salverson. We need to do so much for final assets. We need bushes. We need desks. We need a bunch of interactive items on this page. Signs on the wall again. I want to do some good sign, you know, stuff. We need to add all the explainers when you're going to interact with boxes. Get the full dialogue going. Yeah, let's do that. But for now, let's see who's a streaming this night. We can give him a good old-fashioned raid. Raid from the old Orbem. And I'm going to have to get more Lefroig, or Lagavulin, or Ardbeg. I don't know what I want. Well, it looks like we can go back to Jedum. He's always a hoot and a holler. He's only been streaming for 3.5 hours, so he just started. Alright, Deck Dude. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And everybody on YouTube Shorts live feed, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. Dark Ice, if you're still there, you're a real one. Appreciate you jumping on there. Same with Kay. Kay, you are also awesome. I hope you guys have subscribed and followed or whatever so I can see you again and we could talk again. But yeah, everybody else, have an amazing weekend. If you're watching in the future, thank you. Come say hi in person. I love you guys. And Discord. Find my Discord. Orbemortar.com. You can find all the crap you need, including buying all the great merch and fucking flex keys. But for now, we will raid Mr. Jedum and see how he's working on his clouds again or something. I think he's working on his sky still, which is very interesting. I like his game. Alright, everybody. Have an amazing weekend. Catch you in the next one. Bye.